This is Elevate Chiropractic in Carrollton. We are found inside CrossFit Templum. It is a unique location, but has everything we need to get you moving well, pain-free. The directions can be tricky, but I got you. The address will take you here, and CrossFit Templum is behind Andrew's Refinishing and the Nail Salon. You can park along the building next to the pillars, no problem. Then you will come inside. You're going to have to go through the gym and up the stairs. Elevate Chiropractic is found on the second floor. We do have first floor accessibility if you have difficulty with the stairs. At this location, we have everything we need to serve you to get you back to your daily life. Also, we have your LMNT electrolytes available and an InBody scan to get you your body fat measurements to track your progress. Our chiropractic table, dry needling setup, cupping, everything that we need to take care of you. So schedule your next appointment with us and we'll see you soon.